Imagine one industry that's still operating with the same agent crisis even now? And that is outdoor advertising industry, which still lacks an open platform to buy, sell, or rent advertising space. Therefore, there's no channel to connect buyers and sellers effectively and directly. Buyers still wasting their time in filling lengthy forms, submitting campaign RFPs, and exchanging email are bringing up an open marketplace where sellers can list their ad space, and buyers can directly connect with sellers to book that space. This will bring openness in terms of market price, availability, geographic location, and buyer-seller communication without requesting a quote like we do on Zillow for properties. And sellers eliminating agents. We're focused on creating market competition, which would reduce overall average cost for ad space by 30% across all media categories. As a result, our platform enables small business and startups to afford outdoor advertising for their branding and marketing.